Disclaimer: driving here in the winter requires a lifted pickup with 54-inch tires. Better swap out that rear-wheel drive BMW 2-door coupe. What is up, everybody? If you enjoy my videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more. In this video, I show you downtown Buffalo, New York, the Empire State's second biggest city. If you're unfamiliar with my videos, I do speed up my videos in order to show more in a less amount of time. The Buffalo metro area is home to 1.1 million people, which puts Buffalo at the lower end of large metro areas, ranking 50th in size in the country. The metro area peaked in population at 1.3 million residents in 1970. The city proper is home to 256,000 residents, which is down from the 1950 peak of 580,000 residents. And in 1950, Buffalo was the country's 15th biggest city. As is the case with most cities who saw their heydays occur in the first half of the 20th century, the buildings in downtown Buffalo feature some really unique architecture, as you just don't see new buildings that are built today look like the skyscrapers that are featured in Buffalo's skyline. The Buffalo City Hall, straight ahead, was completed in 1931, is one of the country's most recognizable Art Deco skyscrapers. It's one of the tallest municipal buildings in the country, standing at 378 feet tall. Not very tall for a building, but when it was built in 1931, it most certainly was. Buffalo was founded in 1801, which is pretty late for a larger city located in one of the original 13 colonies. The city benefited strongly from the completion of the Erie Canal, which connected Lake Erie with the Hudson River. Buffalo was basically a product of the Industrial Revolution that helped the Great Lakes region grow through tons of manufacturing jobs. The steel industry was big here, and so was the shipping and car manufacturing industries. Buffalo joins nearby Cleveland, Pittsburgh, and Detroit as being one of the hardest hit regions due to the 2008 economic recession and the loss of manufacturing jobs since the 1970s. Churches like these showcase even more so the architecture from the era when Buffalo was one of the nation's largest cities. An interesting fact, as downtown Buffalo is located along the shores of Lake Erie, it is the only large city downtown that is east of the Mississippi River that you can look west over a body of water, not see any land on the horizon, and watch the sunset over the water. Along with that, Niagara Falls is the largest waterfall by volume in North America, and it's only 30 minutes north. If you enjoy my videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more. We'll see you next time. Peace!